Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ida. I create food review videos, travel videos, packing tips, and day in the life videos. Today I've got something really exciting for you. If you are struggling to find the perfect travel backpack, I have partnered with BAGSMART to give you an in-depth review of the Faro travel backpack. And I will also be using the BAGSMART packing cubes. We want your travels to be stress-free, so BAGSMART was so kind to provide a discount code, which I will be linking down below. If you want to see more of these types of videos, then hit that subscribe button and like this video so that it can reach more people. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is the Faro travel backpack. It is marketed as an all-in-one travel solution. It is 29 liters, so it's the perfect size for a weekend trip or a short haul flight. This bag came at the perfect time because I will be using it for my weekend getaway for my bachelorette party. In addition to the backpack, it also comes with a small shoulder bag. The Faro comes in a sleek, minimalistic style. It's available in this off-white color, or it's available in orange or black. The measurements of the bags fits the airline's requirements for personal item bags. It has a height of 17.4 inches, a width of 11.4 inches, or a depth of 7.5. The material is made from 300D Oxford polyester fabric. The number stands for the denier count, so the higher the number is, the more durable and less susceptible the fabric is to any wear and tears. For example, a 40 to 80D would be more like a thin raincoat. The fabric is water resistant, which is a must for me, especially when I'm traveling through places with unpredictable weather. When it comes to a travel backpack, you want a bag that is practical but at the same time can help you stay organized. The Faro backpack has 8 compartments and a pocket for your water bottle. First, taking a look at the exterior of the bag, we have 2 pockets at the front. The zipper feels very sturdy. It feels like there is a lining on the outside that feels waterproof, so we don't have to worry about your personal items getting any water damage. The front pocket has a deep pocket and there's no extra pockets inside, but it does have this extra hook here where you can attach, say, your keys to it for extra protection. In the top pocket, you have some holders for pens and these 2 extra slots. On the side, we have a big pocket for a water bottle. The water bottle pocket is made of the stretchy material that feels really soft. I really like the feeling of this. It's also a very deep pocket as well, so you can fit a very large water bottle here. The pocket on the side is kind of hidden. The side is perfect. You can store your phone, your passport, or a power bank. And then we also have a laptop pocket at the back. One of my favorite features is the shoe compartment, which I'm really excited to try. I've had a lot of viewers ask me about how to pack shoes in personal item bags. I've never had a bag where you can store shoes inside, so I'm really curious about this and I'm excited to try it to see how much room it will take away from the storage inside. Throughout the bag, there's so many little details with it, like these little stitched fabrics here. You can hook something onto here. Say if you have an umbrella, we have the same stitching on the other side as well. Or you can hook it onto this orange part here. It's also stretchy like an elastic band. And you also have a handle where you can hold the bag on its side. The Faro comes with adjustable padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel. The padding helps distribute the weight, so even if you're carrying a lot, it won't dig into your shoulders. On the back of the straps, we have these 2 clasps here for added support. We have another strap that says BAGSMART. This is for the trolley strap, where you can put it onto your luggage and have it sit there and you won't have to worry about it falling over. You can see the stitching, it's very well made. Just feeling the material, you can tell that this is a very well made bag and it can withhold a lot of wear and tear. So I can see that this bag will have a lot of uses to it. It also comes with a small shoulder bag. It is made of the same material, so it is water resistant and it is very durable. The pockets at the front are the same pockets that are used with the water bottle. It almost feels kind of velvety or a suede material. We have one big pocket at the front and you can probably store your personal items in here like your passport, cell phone, At the back, you have the option of removing the strings or keeping it in place. It's also adjustable, so you can adjust it to whatever height that you want. Inside the bag, it opens up like a luggage. On the side here, you have two pockets, one with a mesh lining and another pocket on the side. The fabric is a lot thinner, but you can tell that it is really sturdy, and this is typically the material that they use in luggages. So you know that this is gonna be very sturdy and withhold a lot of items. On the main storage of the bag, you have this pocket for the shoes, and then you have the storage for your items. It comes with a strap to help compress and hold items within your bag without having it move around too much. I also got packing cubes, which I swear by. They make packing so much easier, and they allow me to pack a lot more clothes while still having space for other things. The BAGSMART packing cubes comes in 6 bags, 1 large bag which can hold pants, dresses, or a lightweight jacket, 2 medium bags which can hold long sleeves, t-shirts, or shorts, 2 small bags which can hold socks, underwears, or tank tops, and 1 shoe bag. The fabric is water resistant but also breathable with this mesh lining to help air circulate to keep clothes fresh. They come in different colors. They come in white, green, orange, pink. I got mixed colors, and this way it will help me stay organized and help me remember where my clothes are. For the trip, I will be packing these short heels with me. Overall, the Faro backpack is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and comfortable backpack. It is honestly so thoughtfully designed. I think this bag is perfect whether you're going on a weekend getaway trip or a short business trip. This will get the job done. If you are interested in the Faro backpack or the packing cubes or any of BAGSMART products, I will be listing everything in this video down in the description below along with the discount code. If you guys like this video, then hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more travel gear reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.